All right. Good morning, Austin. Morning, Oscar. All right, I'm just replying to some messages. Sorry. All right. What the heck? Damn. That's crazy. Amazon's red. 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 All right. Man, AMD is looking. I mean, all these are looking disgusting. They all look already like they're flagging. Like they're ready to drop for more. I hate to be the guy who tries to call the bottom, but there might not be one today. The end of the day might be the bottom. Everything looks super bearish, but that doesn't mean everything can bounce from here. All right, let's go over. Let's go down the list that we want to have. Everything's looking about the same, so let's try and be pretty consistent in what we choose. So I like this area here because I'm starting to see a lot of ranges in between. So you got this gap here. You got some big movement coming down after it hits that. A lot of support and resistance jump roping this line. A lot of support, especially right here and here. So this could lead to a bounce, this could do the same thing. But it's also failed from here. So it could also do that. So honestly, a lot of our levels are going to be able to, are going to show you the lesson of versatility today. Me and Devin were just talking about this, how people are having trouble playing put, like if you have two levels and it hits here, you don't just not play it because it didn't break up and go for your calls, What if that didn't happen? What if it hits that and gets really good momentum? Then you could short it. You can even set your break below as a target. Vice versa. If you got this happening, If it bounces, you know, you didn't get your puts, don't just not play it. You know, if market momentum is up and you're hitting your break belows with support, then you should probably grab a call. Because there's a chance it's going to go back up to here. So that's just versatility using these levels. You can play both ways. Because sometimes this doesn't turn into just hitting here and bouncing. It sometimes goes like that. You know, vice versa. Sometimes it keeps bouncing. That's just how it is. Versatility. Here on this break below, I want to go with here. Yeah, 311.80. Nah, it's too far. I'm just going to go with the pre-market breaks like we like to choose. Because I like those levels. Those are strong. Got some aggressive levels here. I kind of like both those levels. 316 to 317 range. We'll say 321. By the way, when I say a range, this could be your aggressive entry, or you at least enter 50%. This could be your second entry as your passive entry. I mean, vice versa. Sorry, passive. No, aggressive, passive. Sorry, I'm having a brain fart. It's Friday. All right, below. I like that 313. We're gonna go with that. AMD, probably going to see me choose very similar lines. The numbers will be off, of course. Above 53.60. $52.90. Apple's looking even more bearish than the normal. Good hour. There we go. Some good lines. So you got a good gap range right here that the price is currently stuck in. Good thing I backed out the time frame on Apple. Might even do this. Might even just go up today and then down, and then end even, and then be stuck inside that gap range still. That could be a huge possibility. I never do Apple, so I thought I'd do it today. BA. Oh, that was on my phone. I was trying to do a Fibonacci thing. So again, I'm doing the pre-market low. And then I think I'm going to choose a pretty aggressive high. And then we could even set targets. Below 17, let's just say 50. I said 122, 123 just because this little range here. If it does break this, I'd expect it to go to there. Worst case, I expect it to go to 123s. I'm not going to set a target on the below because I don't think there is a true bottom for any of these plays today. I have a better feeling we drop, $20 in share on a lot of these. Then Rise $20 a share in these. Let's do Tesla. I know a lot of people like Tesla on my list. Got a nice little double bottom there. Another gap range. That's the low. I think if I had to set a target, I'd set that 774.50s. And then vice versa for those. Break above, I'd probably do that 792.50 though. All just because of that. Just the aggressiveness in that. Support, resistance. I really like the resiliency in that line. Above. Above 805 and that thing goes to 820 for sure. I'm just not going to mark every single target. Target 774.50. Amazon, get the same day contracts. Oh, I didn't even look to the right. I just instantly looked right here. I was like, I'm going to mark that. I looked over and that's pretty much pre-market low almost. That might be a really good line. I really like that line just because I wasn't even trying to find the pre-market low yet. I was just over here looking for I was looking at what happened after the big move up, before the big move up, or where was the launch pad at. Happened to see it from there. And it's even resilient about the pre-market high. Let's just say it's about right there. That's what happened before the flag and all that happened before the bigger move down as well. So this little range here is actually super, super important on Amazon, and I'm just going to mark that. I don't put Amazon on every day's list, but today looked really good. We'll just say 23.83. 23.66. Yeah. Oops. Very solid range. So check out SPY. I know a lot of people are going to want to play some same-day SPY contracts. I swung one SPY put for Monday. Just, you kind of see price doing this, making lower highs. Didn't really make a super low high here. It is lower, but not by a lot. Same here, though, so I guess it's not much. So if you see these two, lower high, and then you see two lower highs on this, I wonder if we get one more bigger move down. So you got 1, 2, down, 1, 2. Might see a bigger down. Maybe. Maybe not. This is only the 5 minutes, so. But still interesting to see that. higher high, failed. Yeah. Good morning, everybody. What's some tight pre-ranges you guys are looking at? Just leaving the list up for anyone who didn't see it yet. I think my favorite one out of all these so far was definitely NVIDIA, because I could force a tight range on it with overextension to the downside. And then probably Amazon, just because that same range lined up. I haven't really checked out Beyond yet, so I haven't really gone to that B yet. But I definitely wanted to look at Facebook and Beyond before posting this. Let's check out the 15. Sure. Yeah, I'm gonna force that level there. I'm gonna want to be very, very weary on playing calls today too. Just because we are overextended low, it looks more bearish than it does bullish. I could be wrong, but you do always want to be weary. SPY. $281. What's the price at? Okay. I must have like 3. I'll type Roku. I'm gonna check out my baby real quick. Happy wife is a happy life. All right, Beyond 135, 133.50. Let's go with. I really like the range on Beyond compared to everyone else. Every single. All right, I like that. Bigger move up, bigger move down, small gap range. I like the jump rope there. I like that this had a hard time getting above that. I like that pre-market had a hard time getting above that. So that's a really good range for below. Or above, I mean. Below, I'm pretty much just going off pre-market low. And the fact that it had so much information on top of this line with a lot of consolidation in between this said range. So I think that's why I'm going to go with Beyond. I'm going to move this over here. For anyone who doesn't ever mark this range, I promise you, go mark this. If you ever trade Beyond, mark this range. Mark in between that void. A lot of good trades come from there. All I did was mark gap ranges and everything's lined up. Looks like it's squeezing to make a bigger move up. Oh, my bad, Dan. I didn't even see you were saying. I just saw someone type Beyond. Beyond 4 hour. Check out Beyond 4 hour. Nice triangle. Dude, I think this thing's about to pop. $500 a share. That's where it's going today. Oh, whoops, I didn't even write these levels. Above, what'd I say? Oh. Below. And don't be scared to set FAR levels on your Teslas, your Amazons, your Beyonds, just because these things can run. So don't be worried about that. True pre-market low, I'm just gonna type 133. It's not going to 500. I just there you go, Jason. Hope it pops. They have some calls. Yeah, David, you probably would hold calls all the way through. If you could make that 500% gain, you could definitely hold beyond to 500. Alright, I'm going to post what I have just because I have enough. Did our normal tickers. I'll show the list here. Let me go post them in the chats though, real quick. Alright, I'm going to go post these. Paste. Paste. Alright, we got the important stuff out of the way. Let's go stare at SPY. Here, wait 1 second. I actually think we do have a red day today, but even without all this extension low, I think we open up slow and finish with a huge explosion. I think we finish with a big move today. Strong hands all the way, though. Will we see SPY at 300 today? Dude, I have no clue. Honestly, SPY could go to 250 or 300 today, for all we know. Just watch all the economic stuff going on. I know there's numbers coming out. There's all kinds of bills being passed. There's all kinds of voting being done. So just watch the news too. I wouldn't normally say this, but go turn on a news station and or even YouTube. YouTube's been streaming damn near 100% of almost everything that's important lately. So that's pretty cool. Just be aware of all what's going on economy-wise. No, it doesn't seem to have made sense lately compared to the markets, but it's still nice to learn from what's happening between them. Make sure to drop a like on the stream if you guys can. Definitely appreciate it. These are also good for just seeing how we choose. Oh, you didn't know that, Tanner? That you could just throw like 100 groups into one. We literally have a motivations tab. What the hell are you all doing? Or Hangout. Even take that to Hangout chat. Jesus, Devin started it. What time frame was that? Damn, he's the same 1 hour that I do. I had 90 days on mine. Stocks will to go up. I'd like to think I'm more bearish today than anything, but who knows? I'm not going to be biased before the day even starts. Coin flip. Oh. I don't have a coin on my desk. Or else I'd flip one for you. Pretty much is a coin flip, though. I'm guessing where the market goes before it opens. Yesterday, I was thinking more bearish opening to a bullish run just because we had so many downside, extensions going down. But today's different because it's Friday, What reasons do we have to go up? That's not going to stop it from going up, though. I'm just throwing out my 2 cents. It could definitely run from here. Hasn't stopped it before. Well, I'm going to leave this up and I'm going to go chill in the voice chat. But it was good having everyone here. If you guys want the list, here, I'll just leave it up. Trying to make it to where you guys can still see the damn candle. Whatever. Alright, well, I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to drop a like on the stream if you can. Or the next one will be next week. But I'm going to try and make some actual lesson videos on different things for the group this weekend. So there'll be private video links for everybody when those are all done. But thank you guys for being here. I really do appreciate it. We pretty much are nothing without y'all. Without y'all, we'd pretty much just be trading alone. Either way, we'd be doing this, though. But I do thank everyone for being here, and I'll see you guys Monday.